Meaning of flatworm.
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 Flatworm. A flatworm is a type of worm that has a flattened body shape. They belong to the phylum Platyhelminths, which includes over 20,000 known species. These animals are characterized by their simple body plan and lack of specialized respiratory, circulatory or skeletal systems. Flatworms can be found in a wide range of environments, including freshwater, marine and terrestrial habitats. Some species of flatworms are parasitic, while others are free-living. Their flat shape allows them to move easily in narrow spaces and avoid detection by predators.